Okay, I was here for Victoria University for some, like, just like university playing stuff, and look what I found. The lift's being replaced. It used to be like, my last fitting time used to be like, I think Express, was one by OTIS, and now it's, generic. There's the Hunter Lounge over there, so that's nice. Just wait for. So yeah, these definitely look like doors. The key's been replaced, and just wait till this people don't lift. Then we'll take a spin on it. Okay, let's give this a spin. But yeah, this is like the 6th starting of KONE 330, or maybe this is KONE 220. I don't know. So yeah, let's take a look. Well, it's got the same interior, just blue buttons. Oh, look! Oh my gosh, those are the same fixtures like the ones like the Murphy building. That's great! Yeah, it's going to be completely replaced. That is insane. And come out here. Yeah, it's been completely replaced. But yeah, this could be my first time in case 2.0, I don't know. Oh my gosh. And you will take it back up to 4, and then we'll... But yeah, that is my first sighting of these buttons, which don't have like... They don't like that tactile rounding thing, like they're very small. That is insane. We have 4. Capacity 1, 18 persons, 1,450 kilograms. And there it goes. And that is it.